Good morning. Josh Giselle, Breakthrough Real Estate Property Management. Hope you're having a fantastic week. Today's tidbit is going to continue our Partners Week, and I'm talking about inspectors today. Having a great inspector partner to protect your buyers is so important. A lot of buyers don't even like to get inspections, but I always say, Mr. and Mrs. Buyer, worst case scenario, you're gonna spend however much money on this home inspection and you're gonna waste it because they come back and say this house is perfect. Best case scenario, your inspector is going to find something that we didn't find, and it's gonna protect you from either losing thousands of dollars by an unforeseen repair, or you'll be able to know now that you need to cancel this deal before you get it over your head. That can almost be priceless. So, having a good inspector, we've all seen those reports on the news where an inspector shows up and they show up in like this tiny car, they have a flashlight and a screwdriver, and that's it. That's not a good inspector. There are lots of groups inspectors should belong to. There's lots of experience. It's how they show up. If they don't show up with the proper tools, don't let them do it. A great inspector partner is going to be the best ally your client will have in protecting themselves when they buy a home. Find the best one possible, take care of them, and hold them to a high standard. Have a great day, guys.